back in 2015. It was really hot. I was supposed to go buy a fan to cool my apartment down, but I came across an ice cream machine and I bought an ice cream machine instead. So that started my love of ice cream. And then the idea behind For All is that I feel like ice cream is something that everybody loves, but people stop eating at some point for some reason or another. So whether it's a dietary issue or maybe it's deemed unhealthy. So for me, the trigger was for something that everybody loves, I want to be able to give that back to people. So it was really making an ice cream that isn't necessarily everything for everybody, but I wanted to make sure we had something for everybody. As an engineer, I'd worked for other people for a very long time. And I just got to a point where I wanted to do something for myself. I wanted to celebrate this area. I moved here from Toronto in 2012. And one of the things I love about Waterloo region is that 10 minutes in any direction, I'm at a farm, whether it's a fruit farm, whether it's a dairy farm. And there's also just a huge entrepreneurial spirit in this town. I felt like I was in an environment where I was going to be nurtured as an entrepreneur and supported by the community as an entrepreneur. And I'd always wanted to start something for myself. So to me, ice cream was the answer. We engaged CRI specifically to help us reformulate and relook at our vegan ice creams. While I felt that we had a great vegan product, it was really onerous for us to make. And our yields, like our product yields, just weren't the greatest. The end product was great, but just the process to produce it wasn't. So the food scientists at CRI really helped us look at, what the structure of our ice creams were and where we could find efficiencies, and also helped us look at sourcing. We actually made some connections where we could get certain ingredients basically made to our specifications. So we were able to make industry connections through the work with CRI, as well as a close examination of our formulation and our processes to improve how we were making the product. And ultimately, this resulted in increased productivity and increased efficiency, which has positively impacted our bottom line.